This is the Alliance Valor 40V13. This is the one that we're looking to buy. We've looked at so many of them, and this is the one that I always keep coming back to. I love it because it has the outdoor kitchen and the outdoor TV, which you do not get in these fifth wheels very often. It's also 45 feet. It's a triple axle, so I'm going to have to upgrade my truck. I currently have a 2500 series, and I'm going to need a 3500 because of where we live and where we travel. We have a lot of mountains in Colorado, and so to pull something this heavy and this big, you do not want to be that close to your max capacity tow haul that you can do. So that is definitely something that I'm going to be doing, is upgrading my truck. I love that this has an awning over the back porch. You can contact this awning dealer, and they actually sell where you can turn this into a fully screened in porch out here. And then these doors are also glass. So if it's hot, you can have them open or closed. If it's cold, you can have them closed, and you can lock that door. And there's steps that normally come down here so that you can leave your porch open all the time. I love this RV. I just met the distributor, and he actually remembered me from the Colorado Springs show, which was really wild. But it's because I love this RV so much. So you've got your washer dryer hookup and your bathroom right here. And let me see. I almost said, is anyone in it? But I forgot I'm in an RV show. So no, nobody's in it. And so this is nice. It's tight. It's definitely tight, but it is a second bathroom. And they have it very pretty, nice cabinetry, nice fixtures. And then you've got your door, and you're going to have separate AC and separate heating. This one has 3 air conditioners, which rock on. You need that when you're traveling west in the heat. So these are Happy Jack beds. They have them up. These will both drop down. So when they're up, you can see how much ceiling to floor space you have. They can drop down, and they're queen size beds, so you could fit 2 kids if they're small on each bed, or if it's a teenager and they want their own bed, then you've got 2 queen beds for them. There is a ton of space back here for toys. This is the toy hauler. That's why it's a rubber floor. But if you want and you're going to be more stationary, or if you don't have a ton of toys, you can put a carpet back here. I've seen so many different things that people have done back here. You can put a dresser. You have to watch your weight. You're going to want to be careful of that. A lot of people shop at IKEA, but you're going to want to you can put a dresser right in there, and you can put rugs back here. You can put a desk if you're working. There's so many features. This is where your TV goes. It does come standard with this one. It's just not in here at the show. And that will drop down so that you can actually watch the TV while you're outside on the deck. And look at this beauty of a deck. It's really nice. This is one of the features that we absolutely love about it. This is the 40V13 Valor Alliance, and they're known for having really good customer service and good build. There's my son who's asleep and tired of looking at RVs, but I just love this one, so I couldn't resist, and he loves his Lazy Boy, so he's showing it for you. This one has a really nice stainless steel, full size. It's like a commercial size refrigerator. Maybe not quite as big as your home one, but it's definitely big for RV world. And I think you're going to be able to have no problem stocking up in this refrigerator while you hit the road, so that you're not wasting time at the grocery store, because it has the freezer below that. As you can see, it has 3 Lazy Boys. Now, these do not turn into a bed. So these are for all your chair lovers, like all the boys in my family. I personally like the couch over here, and this does turn into a bed. I like to sit sideways. The nice thing about this is that you've got a lot of open space right here. This is made to feel like a living room at home, and it has really nice fixtures on the ceiling, another AC in the living area, and you've got a fireplace, which they have going because it's Colorado and windy and cold. Now, you do have a lot of space in the kitchen, but this is a U-shaped model. So if you want a real open floor plan in the kitchen, that's not what this has, because you're getting more in the living room. But how much time are you going to be spending in the kitchen when you're camping anyway? I like to camp and cook outside on the fire, and it's a beautiful kitchen, and you've got tons of space for dishes, Instapot, crock pot, whatever you want. And it does have enough room. Let me give you a different angle for you to stand in there, cook with your oven. I love these tall cabinets. You can fit so much in there. And then this actually pops out if you want to put a bar stool under that, so you could have somebody sitting there talking to you while you're cooking. You can have more space if that's what you want to use to serve for your buffet. And back here, you have a really large pantry. Now, I don't want to forget to show you, in addition to this really large pantry, Lots of cabinetry space. See, that goes all the way from floor to ceiling. I don't even think I barely use that much in my house at home in a 4,200 square foot house. What I wanted to show you is this is another bedroom up here. And you can see from this angle how much ceiling height it has. And so that is really nice when you have a lot of kids like we do. We've already talked about how many you can fit in the back. And then that is another bunk that you can give to, I would say probably up to maybe 13 or 14. Any older than that, and they might hit their head, but it's perfect for, I'd say, about 14 and under. This is a fifth wheel, and so you're going to have these steps to go up. And this has shoe storage underneath, which is nice because where to put your shoes and your coat is always an issue in the RV. Now, this, you can access the bathroom from within the master bedroom and from without. So that's nice. People don't have to trek through your bedroom to get to the larger bathroom if they don't want to use the one in the back. This has a king size bed, which is unusual. A lot of them just have queens. So that was another feature that we really liked in this model. And the closet is so big. My son can show you that you can actually fit in it. The kids could play hide and seek. It is huge. There's so much room in there. I think I could put a couple kids in the closet to play and still have room for all my clothes. In fact, I've actually tested it out and I can fit in there. Don't hit your head. So then we've also got a TV and a dresser. So you're getting extra additional space to the closet. And this actually pops up. This is a cute little feature here. This pops up and you can put all your jewelry or things that you don't want out in the open or to get lost in there. Now, there's also a washer and dryer hookup in your closet. So that gives you one option if you want to put it in the master. And then each side of the closet also opens to give you a little bit more space over there, since that does have the washer and dryer on it. So you can see that that's where dresses can go, suits can go. It goes all the way from floor to ceiling. I love this RV. I think it's so awesome that literally the manufacturer from Indiana recognized me just walking by from a show I've gone to a month or so ago. So it's a great dealership, and I definitely recommend this 40V13.